How to make your Facebook account private. Welcome back everyone to a new video on this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the step-by-step process that you need to follow and all of the settings that you need to manage to make your account of Facebook private. Like Instagram, Facebook does not have a button where you can tap on the button and entirely make your Facebook private. Instead, you need to manage a few settings. So firstly, open up your app and tap on the menu on the top right. From this menu, you can scroll down, tap on settings and privacy and tap on settings. Inside of this setting, tap on profile settings and tap on privacy. Now these are the settings that you need to manage. Firstly, under your activity, you can see these are the settings. Firstly, who can see your future post. So if you don't want everyone to see the post that you make on your Facebook, you can select it to friends of friends, or if you tap on see more, you can select it to friends accept or specific friends. So this way you can exclude some of the friends, or you can only choose those people that you want to show the post to. So select that option depending upon what you like. And similarly, you can also select these options such as who can see people pages and list you follow, who can see your stories, and who can see your future reels. They are similar options and you can choose the option that you want. If you scroll down under how people can find and contact you, you can tap the first option which says who can send you a friend request. Make sure that this is selected to friends of friends. And who can see a friend list, you can set it to only me. And you can also set these options to only me, which says who can look you up using different options such as email, phone number, or search engines. Once you manage all these settings, your Facebook account will be made pretty much private, and not anyone on Facebook would be able to view your activity on Facebook. So that is the process of making your Facebook account private. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up. That's going to be all for today. Thanks for watching.